What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today, my brother and I are going to be using kinetic sand this time. We unfortunately lost the gooey foam beads. Sorry for the long wait, but today we are going to be making a flag.
Alright, so, again, we're gonna make the flag. This doesn't really look like a flag right now, but we will make it. Step one is to basically form it into a square. So that's what we're gonna do. So it doesn't really look like a square, but you got to make sure that you have this bottom layer, and then just build up. So what we want to do is get it into a square. We want to take this toothpick or your finger or whatever that's pointing. So go like this.
You basically want to cut it off.
Yeah. But not like too much. See, like this right here? See how it's like wide? We're just gonna... Now it looks more like a square now. Now, turn it over. This is kinetic sand, by the way, so... Okay. We are gonna use the scraps later, so stay tuned for that. So basically, we're gonna create a American flag, USA flag. So basically, you wanna take your toothpick
And draw a line.
but you don't want to go too deep. Okay, so you make a square in the top left corner. There. Now for the stripes. So there's, what is there, 13 stripes, I think? 13? Yeah. So, of course, we can't really fit 13. So we're going to basically do as many lines as we can. Okay, so this is how you make the lines. So you basically take the point of the toothpick, you not going too deep, but line. Okay, we will check back with you when this is done. Okay, so when we were drawing the lines, these little spots, or extras, I would say, came out. So these
Kind of like
those,
scraps.
yeah. So this is how you get rid of them. Like we were forming the square. You basically take your toothpick like this. You go like that.
And just get rid of it.
Yep. So, like I said in the beginning, we're going to use the scraps. So basically, you want to draw like the pole. So, do a line like so.
And attach it.
Kind of connect it to it. So this looks pretty long. So we're just gonna
Cut it off, just like that.
now gonna add a little of this because it's kind of slanted. still, you have some extras, so you just want to get rid of it, like so.
I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure you guys subscribe. We tried our best on this art piece. And we also used kinetic sand. And we are trying to get to 780 subscribers. So subscribe if you want to. And leave a like in this video if you want to. Bye.